Hey everyone. So my phone gave out on me last time, so I'm gonna have to do this video in parts. So just to pick up where I left off last time, on my right hand side, I still have four. Oh, sorry. I still have four more packs. So let's go ahead and start opening up. All right. Some more Gostrick cards. Okay, dog contract. And let's go into the next. I'm gonna try to do this fairly quickly, just to make sure I can get as many. Oh, Master of Chaos. Okay, so I pulled the card that's on the box. Very cool. Super cool. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and sleeve this one up. Do, 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 do. Yeah, this guy looks very cool. Look at that. Very cool. All right. Okay. And last pack on the right side. All right, so that's all the cards on the right side, and we'll go ahead and start on the left side.